My name is Dennis J. Smerbeck. I'm the marketing manager for Exceptional Exteriors. The biggest problem we had in this office when I came into this position was there's a lot of inconsistency in lead flow. When a salesman's sitting and doesn't have a place to go, you know, the wheel that we rely on to turn to make this office run, I mean, that's the first spoke. You know, if they don't have a place to go, nobody up the ladder makes any money. The idea is to keep them busy every day. Every single day that the doors are open. When we first partnered with Vivial, we were just looking to have them steer traffic to our existing website. We got an additional 5 pages of content on our website, and when those two merged, the idea of using Vivial to obtain the business and then having them manage our website and manage the Facebook page, it was a lead storm. I mean, it started raining leads. They've increased the bottom line. We have more money coming in, more jobs going out. You know, we're probably on pace for a banner year. Even during coronavirus, we had 2 of our best months ever in company history, back to back. Could have been a real scary time for us. Just seems like we were prepared, and Vivial was part of that. You know, nobody knew Corona was coming, but it came. You know, I'm just glad that we just didn't have all our eggs in one basket and relied on one source to make a living. You know, Vivial didn't swoop in and save the business. All they did was make it better. I know it's here to stay, and I know it's the wave of the future as far as getting business. This one here is here to stay. Because I don't have the knowledge or the willingness to learn how to market the way that Vivial markets. I put my eggs in their basket.